Peace, ma'am. It's the pressure cooker, and I'm back with a quick late night video. So, I wanted to get on here and give you guys an update about the Tasha K situation. My, Tasha K, what wrong with you? You're gone too far. Child, listen. So, I told you guys today about, I read 3 different articles. I said in the articles it didn't indicate that Tasha K was getting reported, that any charges were currently filed against her. Still sick to that because there's nothing there. However, after uploading that video, I think it was the Chocolate Bay. He shared a video by the lead attorney, and I went over there and checked it out. And I don't think I've ever seen him before, but I knew right away that he was a lawyer. And I was listening to him break stuff down. And guys, this is what I noticed. He wasn't mean. He wasn't nasty. He didn't say anything like, he didn't seem shady. He was actually like spitting what I believe to be facts. And he was really trying to look at things from what I feel like an objective point of view. And then he was bringing in what he thought about it legally. And one of the things that he said, the live was long. I only came in, at further down the road. But one of the things that I noticed was that he said basically what Tasha K did could lead to a mistrial in the R. Kelly case, which would really, really suck, especially for the victims, right? And that yes, she could possibly be facing, legal ramification or charges. I don't remember if he said jail time, but he did say that, and he broke it down for us. After he said that, he repeatedly stated that he didn't think Tasha K did this with any intention, that it was gonna, blow up in her face or cause any harm to the case or anything like that. He said he thinks that she was doing it, to really, to help the victims, right? And I believe that. I do believe that. Then, guys, I listened to Tasha K do a video. She went off on the lead attorney, I think twice, but there's this one video, I'm sure it's gone now. She went off on this man. She cussed off the man. She told him say all kind of things. It was crazy. I was so disappointed. I was like, Tasha K, y'all know I try to keep it real, y'all. This is making you look bad. It's making you look guilty, okay? Now, I did try to come out and support you in this last video, okay? But you're doing too much. You are doing too much. This is making you look like a very guilty party, and it's really making you look sad because you're attacking this man and he didn't say anything crazy about you. He didn't say anything bad about you. Okay? You're doing too much, and it's like you're creating an enemy that shouldn't be there. You talked about that man who he was with, and how he was only effing white women. Why does any of that matter? I could see if he came out and he was talking trash about you and he was saying all kinds of stuff. He was really trying to comment on the situation. And then she said, he's a lawyer. Why is he, he's a gossip lawyer. And why is he talking about her? She make more money than him. It was just very childish. It was in poor taste. Okay. This ain't it. This is not looking good. It made you look petty. And even people in your comments were like, he didn't say anything bad about you. And I know some of those people aren't just people who are against you or anything like that. It seemed like there were some of them that were people who mess with you. Okay. So you need to take that down. You need to chill. Okay. If you're scared, you need to hit your support systems. You were just coming on here the other day joking about last meal and shit. Okay. I don't know if the stuff that he said, just pissed you off because it makes it more real, but your fight should not be with him because that man didn't do nothing to you. And it felt like you were threatening to dox him. And I'm like, see, this is the kind of shit that makes me not support Tasha K, because you do a really good job at bringing people content and you put a lot of work into your craft. But this is the kind of vindictive, messed up shit that you do that makes me not want to support you, because you came on here and insinuated that you were going to expose this man. Why? You wanted to reveal what law firm he worked for. There's plenty of people on here who do professional jobs who don't want to put their practice up or anything like that. You know what this place is like. This fucked up, Tasha K. I'm calling you out. This ain't it. Okay? This is making you look bad. Anyway, this is all I got to say. I'm sure it's going to be mad people in the chat. They're going to be saying whatever. Child, listen. I say how I feel about situations, okay? This is YouTube. Plenty of people do that. As you can see in the last video, there's people that agree with me and there's people who don't agree with me. But I'm not an ass kisser. If you come out here and do some stupid shit, I'm gonna talk about it. So anyway, that's all I gotta say. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll see you guys. I'll be watching the story, guys. Have a good night.